Dear Sherry, I love edibles, but I'm not much of a cook. Do you have any suggestions of some very easy edibles that I could make? Thanks for any insight. Easy edible suggestions. Yes, I have lots of those. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor. If you get value out of my videos, please hit that like button too because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Okay, back to the original question, how to make easy edibles. There's lots of techniques that you can use to make really super simple edibles. So I'm going to put some links below in the comments now before we talk about them. So let's talk about a few ways to make some easy edibles. At its simplest form, you can actually just eat decarbed cannabis. You don't have to turn it into an edible at all. Now, decarb, if you don't know what decarboxylation is, it's a process of activating your cannabis. It's very simple to do. I'm going to put a link in the comments below to a tutorial that will teach you all about it. But for maximum potency, if you decarboxylate your cannabis, it's going to activate the THC, the CBD, the other cannabinoids, and you really could just pop a bud in your mouth or swallow it like a vitamin pill. There's also lots of easy recipes or ways to add decarbed cannabis to your foods as well, and you can just do that rather than going to all the trouble of making butter or oil or things like that. So there'll be a link below to an article that I did about cooking with decarbed buds, but at its simplest form you could just pop a bud in your mouth and you've got an instant edible. It may not taste great, but you can do that if you really want to get the benefit of an edible without cooking. So what else can you do? Tinctures. Tinctures are great too. Be they THC tincture, CBD tincture. It's really easy to just add a few drops of tincture to pretty much anything that you're eating or drinking or fixing. So you could stir it into your tea or your coffee or your yogurt or your ice cream, whatever. You can put a few drops of tincture and turn almost anything into an instant edible that way. So tinctures are really quick, really easy for non-cooks to use. Also, tinctures can be used sublingually, which is a different ingestion method. That means that you're just going to put a few drops under your tongue, and that will give you the benefits of the cannabis as well. And those effects will come on quicker than if you ate it, which would have to be metabolized in your liver. But if you put it under your tongue, it absorbs into your bloodstream that way. So that's a quick way of getting the benefits of edible cannabis without actually cooking anything. What else could you do? If you do make some cannabis butter or cannabis oil, and I'm going to put links to tutorials there below, they're not difficult to make, but once you have those building blocks of cannabis cuisine on hand, there is no end to the quick and easy edibles that you can make. I have another tutorial below where you use an oil sprayer and you just spray the oil right onto snack foods like chips and pretzels and things like that. So that's almost instant edibles. You could use that oil sprayer to spray it on your salad, for instance. So there's a lot of different methods that you can use if you have like the oil or the butter. If you have cannabis butter, it can be spread on your toast. That quick and that easy, you've got an edible. So those building blocks, well, you have to cook a little bit to make them. They're not difficult to make, and once you have them on hand, you can make edibles quick and easy. Bim, bam, done. It's as easy as that. So don't let lack of cooking skills or lack of cooking desire keep you from experiencing the benefits of cannabis edibles. There's lots of quick and easy edibles that you can make. I also have some quick and easy recipes on my website. I'll try to link to those below too. So I hope this helps. See you all next time. Eat your weed.